If the quality of the video is in low quality, please choose the option high quality for better watching experience. Thank you. Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back for another stop motion build video. For today's video, we're gonna take a look for the 1/144 scale, high grade Type 89 base jabber, copied by the brand DABAN Model. This video has not been possible without Prince Ezekiel 24 efforts, so if you can appreciate it, please subscribe. Let's start after the intro.
Box contents. Type 89 base jabber. Type 89 base jabber doesn't have many articulation. The next footage is pose you can do with it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, and want some more video like this, be sure to leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And also be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet for more content.
This is Prince Ezekiel 24, leaving some message. Keep safe and take care everyone. Bye bye. Also feel free to check my other videos I created. And that's it. Bye bye.